Good evening friends, welcome back to my channel. Excellent Manish. How are you? Today we are going to learn the protection and security in Excel. I will teach you how to use the security features and how to protect your Excel sheet from unwanted peoples, either unwanted access. Let's go to our sheet. You can see on my screen there the four type of the protection is given. One is the protecting your worksheet. This is on my screen, you can see is the worksheet, and this in worksheet, if in the workbook there is a multiple worksheet possible. I will teach you how to protect your workbook also. And we also learned today how to hide your formula and lock specific cell. This does not mean, suppose some area you want to protect and other area you want to let it unprotected to use for some other person. You also learn today. Now first we start from worksheet. How to protect this worksheet? You can see on my worksheet I can write anything here. Here there's no protection, but if I want to protect this thing, what we have to go to review tab. Here go to protection sheet, write any password. I'm putting 123 123, re-enter. Now my sheet is protected. How we know that the sheet is protected? You can see I cannot write anything, I cannot delete anything, I cannot do anything in this sheet. This is the protection. This you can use like read only sheet. You can read the data, but you cannot alter the data, you cannot change the data. This is, you cannot delete any row, you cannot insert any row, nothing, but you can read all the data. That is the protection of sheet. Now let me unprotect this sheet again. Now this is unprotected. Now come to our second, protecting workbook. What is the mean of protection of workbook? This, like you can here you can read the data, but you cannot not alter any data. I will teach you how to protect the workbook using the inscription. Now go to home tab. Here go to info, protect workbook. You can see here inscript with password. Inscript with password 123. okay, okay. Now go back and save and close this file. I want to open same file. Here what is asking? It asks password. This is protection of workbook. If I put any password, it will be open. I'm putting, because I put 123 123, but I want to make sure you, all of you, if you put the password and you forget, then you cannot retrieve. Excel does not give any facility to retrieve the password for the locking of workbook. Please understand well. If data is too important, please memorize your password. Either you write down somewhere. If you forget the password, that cannot retrieve, and that Excel sheet go to the dustbin. Let me show you. Here you can see. Now coming to our hiding the formula. What is the need of hiding formula? Like you make one big Excel sheet and one of your colleague want to use same Excel sheet. Either that is not the part of your company. What you do? You have to hide the formula, so he cannot see the formula. Yes, he can use in your sheet, but he cannot see the formula, because for the confidentiality it is important to not see the formula, because that is not true, that is not the correct thing to provide everything. Yes, you can give, but formula will be hide. Let me tell you how. Like in this sheet, there the formula is given. Let me make it more bold. This one is the formula is given. This one 10%. What I do, I will select. Okay. Control 1. Go to production. Unlock hidden. Please understand hidden. And OK. Now go again review tab. Product sheet. Same formula I am putting. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now you can see here your friend, either your colleague, can use this sheet. But if you go on the formulas, you can see on formula bar is nothing showing, because formula is hide. He cannot. Yes, he can work. Let me change something like Suresh salary is $4,500. You can take 3,000. You see, because it is protected. Now let me unprotect. 1, 2, 3. Okay. You can use this, but you cannot change anything. You cannot see the formula. Go for the last thing, block cells. Like, first of all, you already understand how to provide a worksheet. Worksheet you cannot change, but in some format sometimes we allow to our colleagues, either our juniors, to use some part of the sheet, not all. Like I can lock some cells like this. Let's go there. Come, like I don't want to allow him to use this one. What I do, go this one, control, make it unlocked. Okay. Now protect sheet, same formula, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now you can see here, you cannot type here. You see the protection is on. All sheet is protected with the password, except this. Your friend can use this one. Like you can change here anything. I think you understand the protection and security in Excel. This is very important for the company data, either your personal data also. Yes, you can allow access your sheet to others, but with some restriction, because it's important. I hope you understand this well. If you have any doubts, please make the comments, so I will try to solve your problem. Thank you so much. Make sure you like and subscribe my channel. Please comment. Thank you so much.